Hey guys, it is PsyDreamer. It has been a good while since I filmed any sort of makeup tutorials. This is my first one I filmed this year, actually. I just thought I would do this one for fun, although I did forget to do the powder on the face, and I cannot for the life of me find my lashes. Anyways, if you guys want to see more of my cosplay, be sure to follow me on Instagram and all my other social media, which will be in the description below. And let's move on to the video. So as always, if you're using any sort of contacts, you will want to put those in before you're doing your makeup. Also, sorry if the mic sounds weird today, but I have to use my work headphones because the cable for my actual mic is damaged, and I need a new one. Next, I add a layer of primer to my face to have the foundation go on smoother and to have the makeup stay on longer. This step will vary for everybody, but I like to add some color correcting concealer. I use a lot of yellow on my dark circles because they're pretty bad. And I add some green onto any red areas or zits. And then I apply a little bit more concealer in my skin tone on the under eyes just to cover the dark circles even further. I didn't film the part where I put primer on my eyelids, but after that I put on a eyeshadow that matches my skin tone onto the eyelids as a base. I then mix 2 shades of brown from the Milan palette to create a sort of taupe shade and use that to kind of contour my eyelids. To do this, kind of apply this on the outer part of your eyelids, mostly in the crease area and the outer V. I specifically mixed the shades Imperial and Honor from this palette. Now I'm mixing the 2 pink shades from my Sailor Moon palette and dabbing that onto the outer V of my eye. I mixed the shades Tuxedo Rose and Love for this part. You'll want to make sure to add this to the outer lower corner of your eye as well, and then very gently blend out the edges. To finish the eyeshadow, we are applying a shimmer onto the inner corners. I'm using the shade Silver Crystal from the Sailor Moon palette for this. So I forgot to film the eyebrows as well. Oh well. After the eyebrows, we move on to the eyeliner. And I'm just doing a regular winged eyeliner for this look. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. But if you're using false lashes, you can apply those first and then curl and add mascara to blend them in with your actual lashes. Now we're going to apply foundation all over the face and to the neck. And for this particular cosplay, I'd recommend finishing your makeup before you put on the cosplay, since you could risk getting foundation on the collar. I may or may not have been vibing a little too hard at this part since I was listening to Mac Miller while filming. After that, I contour my face just a bit, using highlight on certain points of the face, and I always contour my nose. That's just my personal preference. However, the parts that you contour and highlight may vary, as everyone has different facial features and shapes. Once I'm done with that, I apply a little bit of blush on the higher parts of my cheekbones for this particular character, and just a bit on the nose. Then I apply a little bit of highlighter onto my face. And finally, I finish it off with a subtle pink lipstick, top it off with gloss, and spray setting spray all over my face. Just make sure you apply translucent powder before using the setting spray. Doing so will make sure to keep the makeup in place much longer. Alright y'all, now that we're done with the makeup at last, it's time to put on the wig, put on the cosplay, and after that, we're all ready to go.
Alright, you guys, and that was it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.
Alright, guys, I do hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I do apologize for the bad lighting in this video. I am in desperate need of a new ring light. If y'all saw the state it was in right now. So hopefully I'll be getting a new one soon, because my lighting is just not quite what it was when I first got it. Anyways, that's besides the point. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I will be seeing you guys later. Goodbye.